Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So I do have my November base BOXYCHARM and I got it today in the mail when I got home and I was super excited. I've seen Beth and Faye unbox theirs and I loved everything that they got. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I love my box as well. I did get a card, which is awesome, and it's such a pretty card. I'm probably going to just put it up right here for decor because it says Harvest, and I got variation number 33. That is my variation, and then here is the card. It's so cute, and it has all the products, and then I did get a card in here that says Natasha Denona's treating charmers to 25% off on their website. So I'm assuming I got the Natasha Denona palette, which I'm really excited about. Go ahead and dig in. So the first thing I see is from Peach and Lily. It's the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Deep Cleanse and Soothe with Camilla and Chamomile. It looks like that. And I have been getting a lot of stuff from the Peach and Lily brand, and what I've used so far I have really enjoyed and I am happy with. It says on the card that it's a cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact. So you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated, and retails for $28. So that pretty much paid for my box. So I'm really happy about that. Like I said, I have tried a toner from this brand and I'm using a serum currently and I am enjoying them. That is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to try this. I don't know that I would put it in right now because I have others that are in rotation to be used that I've had longer, but I'm real excited about that and can't wait to try it, and we'll let you guys know what I think. The next item I see that I got is another skincare. It's from Yensa. And this is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. And it says on here, it's infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. So that is what it looks like. It says that it has superfoods, Asian botanicals, real results, multitasking, high-performance ingredients, no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, animal cruelty, and then it says it's a nourishing mask and face polish in one, resurfaces and smooths skin, great for sensitive skin, provides a healthy, radiant glow, helps minimize the appearance of pores, nourishes skin with superfoods, pumpkin boosts collagen, turmeric smooths skin. So definitely excited about that. I love skincare, and this is definitely, I have tried a couple things from this brand and I have really liked them. So yeah, I'm going to be trying that here very soon, and we'll definitely let you guys know what I think. If I didn't tell you, it retails for $45. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, moving on. I got the Milk Makeup. It looks like this is the Kush Waterproof Mascara, a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, and retails for $24. Okay, it is closed, so I'm not going to open it because I do have quite a bit of mascara out at the moment. And I've only tried a couple things from Milk, and what I've tried I haven't really enjoyed. So I'm definitely excited to try this, and we'll put this in the next rotation of mascaras when I'm done with the others. So definitely excited about that. Did I tell you guys it retail for $24? I can't remember. I'm sorry. Yes. So definitely I have gotten my box worth, and I am very happy so far because this was $24. This was $28, and this was $45. So definitely a great box so far. Okay, the next thing that I see is the Olimar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. Retails for $15. I don't know that this is a full size because that is what it looks like. Let me show you real quick. And then this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills travel size. It's not that much of a difference. I mean, I know it's fatter, but maybe this is the full size. I'm not sure. But I'm definitely excited to try this. I have tried several Alamar cosmetic products. I do enjoy them. Again, that retails for $15. So excited to have that and try that. Okay, so the last thing in my box, definitely excited about. Not that I needed another one. Tasha Denona Peak 5-Pan Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know why it came in this box because I know when you buy it from the store, I don't believe it comes in that. But you know what? That's okay. It says on here, it's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, compressed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. It retails for $48. Wow, this is pretty. That is what it looks like right there. Definitely a beautiful fall palette. Couldn't have come at a better time. Beautiful. Those are the 4 matte shades right there. And then let me quickly do that shimmer shade for you guys and we will wrap up this video. Okay. That is the shimmer shade. Very, very pretty. Right there. Cannot wait to use this palette. As I say in all my videos for all my palettes, this one I'm definitely keeping. It's a great travel palette as well. You can bring it on the go, do a couple different looks, several different looks with it. So yeah, I'm really, really excited about that. Glad I got that in the box this month. So let me quickly total how much everything was. Again, the box retails for $25 a month. With tax, it is $27 and some change. I am prepaid to the new year, so I do get a little bit of a discount. But as of the new year, it starts all over, and I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to keep this box or the premium. I'm thinking it's going to be this one, and I'm going to stop the premium because I just feel you get a better deal on this. For $27, I think that it's great. And I find that at times, my base box is way better than my premium. So I think that's what I'm leaning towards. For $160. That is awesome. And I'm so happy with everything. I got 2 makeup items and, no, 3 makeup items, excuse me. The primer, the mascara, and the palette. To me, that was just awesome. And 2 skincare items, I'm happy with it. I was for sure wanting this. Overall, I'm very, very happy with my box. I think it was another great month. And I cannot wait to see what I get in my premium. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know down below if we were BOXYCHARM base box twins, or if what you got in your box, or if you have a video, let me know that down in the comments. I'd love to come over and check out your video. But if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to go like button, and also if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will have a giveaway coming up very, very soon, not only on here, but on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, it's always linked down below, and I would love for you to check it out. I'm going to complete this video for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.